In this tutorial, I am going to talk to you about this question: how can I make a living from home? This video includes ideas, tactics and methods to help you create an income from home. So if you want to learn how to earn money from home online, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you, let's start. So here is the first method to earn money from home. Method 1. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant (VA) provides clients with administrative services from a remote location, such as a home office. They handle various responsibilities for their clients like make travel plans, perform online research and checking emails. Virtual assistants provide vital remote administrative and technical services to companies and clients. Being a virtual assistant is a great career option that offers flexibility, variety and work-life balance in a rapidly growing field. Virtual assistants enjoy the flexibility and independence of remote freelance work that often offers opportunities for entry-level employees. Employers can save time and money by outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants instead of hiring full-time employees or performing the work themselves. The range of tasks a virtual assistant might perform is diverse and depends on the needs of the client and the skill set of the assistant. Some common tasks a virtual assistant might accept are monitor and maintain email accounts, including email marketing tasks, answer and initiate phone calls on behalf of clients, handle travel arrangements and manage schedules. They may also provide customer support, such as answering questions and processing orders. They can transcribe documents, data entry and spreadsheet management. They might also organize files and documents and prepare reports and presentations, edit and proofread and do SEO research. Other tasks may include bookkeeping, billing and accounting activities. They may also manage online social media presence and professional profiles and keep track of order supplies. Method number 2. Pet sitting. If you enjoy animals, you may consider pet sitting. This is a good way to earn money directly from your home by watching someone's pets at your home. Although most sitters perform their duties at the pet owner's home, you may need to invest in marketing and insurance if you operate out of your own home. Further, you also might want to speak with an accountant or a bookkeeper as well as a lawyer to discuss liability. Method number 3. Sell your possessions online. Survey your home and look for items you no longer use, such as furniture, clothes, books, electronics and toys your children have outgrown. You can then list those items on different e-commerce sites to find interested buyers. It's important to take clear, high-resolution photos of your pieces. You can perform research online to find out how much similar items sell for and then price your own items competitively. Method number 4. Tutor students online. You can leverage your experience in specific subjects or your knowledge to offer online tutoring to students. Promote your services in area schools and find students who have a need for your services. You can apply to work only for established online tutoring services. A tutor's role is to improve the learning of a student outside of the traditional classroom. A tutor will dedicate one-to-one time to work with students who may need extra attention to succeed in their education. Tutoring keeps students motivated and on course to excel academically. Typically, a tutor will help a student focus on one specific subject, such as math or history. Additional responsibilities of tutors include helping students become more active and engaged learners, personalizing a lesson to apply to a student's particular areas of interest or understanding. This will also include helping students advance their knowledge retention skills and study habits, answering a student's academic questions and concerns clearly and honestly, assisting students in reviewing class assignments and materials after class hours, and identifying and adapting to a student's learning habits. A tutor typically needs at least a high school diploma and extensive knowledge in the subjects they intend to teach. If a tutor plans to focus on teaching elementary or middle school students, then they need at minimum a high school diploma. To teach high school and university students, tutors should have at least an undergraduate degree with a major in the subject they intend to teach. In some cases, candidates pursuing a master's degree will tutor undergraduate students at the same university. There is no specific training required to be a tutor, though tutoring organisations may have their own internal training programs. Tutors who work for agencies may receive specialised training that helps them develop effective teaching skills and lesson plans. These agencies may also help tutors learn how to work with a variety of students at different age levels. The NTA, which is the National Tutoring Association, provides comprehensive training workshops for tutors of all subjects online and on-site at university campuses around the US. NTA certifications can help a tutor become more well-respected in their field. To earn an NTA certification, you will need to be a member of the NTA, complete a training course and submit an application with proof of your training and relevant education. Your working environment as a tutor will depend on what type of tutor you are. If you work for a tutoring agency, you will usually work in a tutoring centre where your students will meet you on site. If you work as a private tutor, you will meet with your students independently. These private tutoring sessions can take place in a home, local library, school, or any other number of public places. In general, you will hold tutoring sessions in quiet environments free of distractions. Tutors typically work part-time in the evenings and over the weekends to accommodate the needs of their students. Tutors typically have fewer active students during the summer months. If you're looking for support in the areas of SEO, social media marketing and digital marketing, get in touch with the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Method number 5. Start a blog. If there's a topic you're particularly interested in, you could start a blog and promote it on social media to attract an audience who wants to learn about that topic. If you draw a large enough audience with your blog, you can make money from advertising. A blog is a website that features blog posts that are created and posted by an individual or organisation. Blog posts can consist of written articles, photos, and other digital content elements. Blogs are relatively simple to use and have become an increasingly popular method for sharing information in recent years. Individuals use blogs to share their experiences, opinions, and expertise with subscribers. Organisations also use blogs to promote their products, cause, or mission to the public. Blogs can be an effective tool for capturing the attention of and interacting with internet users around the world. The first step in starting a blog is deciding what it should be about. Your blog can feature any kind of content you want, including how-to articles, opinion pieces, photo albums, advice, columns, and much more. Your blog's topic should be something you are passionate about and that you are excited to share with others. Your subject matter should also be something that you believe will resonate with and interest other internet users. One of the benefits that comes with running a blog is the opportunity to interact with a community of subscribers that share your interests or opinions. Choose a blog name. Next, you will need to pick a unique name for your blog. This name will be used in your blog's URL, so you will have to choose something completely original. Your blog should have a title that indicates what kind of content subscribers can expect to find when visiting your site. When considering titles, use an internet search engine to find out if someone else already has a blog with that name. If the title you want is taken, try experimenting with synonyms or other keywords that relate to your topic. Set a posting schedule. Most successful bloggers release new posts according to a regular schedule. Posting once a week or twice a month will help you win and maintain your subscribers' attention. It also supplies you with regular deadlines which can help you stay motivated. Optimize your blog for search engines. One of the best ways to attract new visitors to your blog is by using keywords that will likely appear in internet searches. Giving your blog posts interesting searchable titles is an example of effective search engine optimization. Method number 6. Sell services online. There are lots of online sites where specialists offer their services on a contract or per project basis. Some different types of services you could offer are graphic design, website design, link building, programming, animation, or video creation. To start a business, you need an idea, a business plan, money to fund the initial costs, and a willingness to work hard to make your business a success. A small business may be eligible for certain types of bank and government loans to help you get started. Some businesses work well with a home-based office and others require retail or office space along with other employees. As you plan and carry out your business idea, you'll need to be organised, motivated and prepared for unexpected costs and circumstances along the way. Conduct research. Once you have an idea for a new business, it is worthwhile to answer some fundamental questions about the business potential. Find out what kind of competitors you have in the field, who might be your client or customer, if the service or product you want to provide has the potential for longevity, and what future growth might look like for your business idea. This kind of research will help you determine if your idea could use some modification or narrowing of its focus to help you stand out from a competitor. Decide on a business type. There are many types of businesses you can start. An online store where you ship products from. Online orders will require different kinds of overhead, inventory and space than a retail shop where customers visit during regular business hours. Your business idea may be primarily conducted from a home office or require a leased office space where clients visit and other employees work with you. Your market research can help you determine the best way to run the type of business you want to start. Thank you for watching and be sure to let me know in the comments below the video which method from this video you are going to use first. So the next thing to do if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. Finally, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.